Today, as you can see, you're not at my regular thing, at my regular place. You don't want me here say. This is during the irean. Yeah. Well, we're actually in Delaware County. I used to live in West Valley, but it's taken in my house. So I don't know where I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna stay in here for 4 nights. So, all you people that have your house taken down and survived, I hope you guys are all watching. I'm sorry for you guys, and I know how you're feeling. My hamster killed one of my hamsters just a couple of minutes ago, because there's a little earthquake here, nowhere else. Like not just that part, but in Delaware County, there was like a little tiny earthquake, and one of my hamsters got scared and murdered the other one. I don't care. But I hope my dog's okay. Irene.